Instarem money transfers tutorial, how to use Instarem to send and receive money. In this video, we'll take a look at Instarem. Platform provides us the opportunity to send international transfers among all the world. So we'll take a look at the app, user experience, and also fees and commissions. So here we are on Instarem.com, and from the page here, from the first page, we can easily set up our payment to see our exchange rates, to see our fees. Basically, here we can choose the currency we'd like to send from, and the most popular, of course, is US dollars, but we can see that this platform also provides us the opportunity to use other platforms like pounds, Sweden kronas, Spain currency, and so on. So let's say that we want to send 1,000 US dollars, and also if we'll scroll down for a little, we can find where people will receive our money. So here we can also choose another country, and as you can see, they provide us the opportunity to interact with huge amounts of different currencies and countries we can send to. And it's pretty cool because sometimes it could be really helpful to have a huge list of different countries we can send. So of course it depends on your case, if it's suitable as for you to use Instarem. Do you have the country you want to send to in this list? So if you don't, you can use the alternatives, Wise, Remitly, WorldRemit, Xoom, and other platforms, but also you can try to use Instarem to find maybe the best exchange rate. So if you're going to send to Indian rupees, we will receive 83,000 of Indian rupees, and for the first transaction we have the best exchange rate, as you can see, and also we don't have any fees. Fees and exchange rates vary by sending amount, currency, payment method, and receiving country. Please change these parameters to view the applicable fee. So as you can see now on the first transaction here, if you're just new to this platform, you'll get the best rate. So special rates and zero fees are valid for new customers on their fast transfer up to $500, which is pretty cool. After that, you'll be charged common fees. So take the moment and just simply receive these maybe discount or something like this. We can also choose where we'd like to use payment. We can use like credit card, debit card, Instarem as pay, and wire transfer, which is pretty cool. So basically, Instarem is a fast, secure, and low-cost platform. We can send money overseas from the United States of America, make every dollar count with a trusted service preferred by customers worldwide, experience the convenience of transferring money online from United States of America, enjoying fast and secure transfers right at your fingerprints. Of course, it's not always necessary to use web version. If we'll scroll down for a little, we can see that they have their own app, and we can easily find it on App Store or Google Play. And basically, we can easily scan this QR code to get the Instarem app, depending on the platform you are interacting with. And if we'll speak about like customer experience, we can see that they have a pretty high mark on Trustpilot. So here we can see like 4.3, 69% of 5-star reviews, 80% of 4-star, and Instarem always replies to a negative reviews. So basically it means that they try to help their customers to solve different issues, and they're really interested in developing their platform, developing their service to do these things. So we can easily trust Instarem to interact with our money. And what's really interesting is that on their website they have options to come to help area, where we can find answers for their questions about referrals, sending money, security, Insta points, and so on. And also in the right side here we have the option to interact with a chat, which is pretty cool. So we can easily contact the support in the live format, and we can solve our problem if we have this thing here. Also, their app is quite easy to use. We just simply need to create our transfer, and after that we'll be able even to see the stages our transfer is on right up now. Transfer created, transfer funded, is it like processing at recipient's bank, and is it paid? Basically it's pretty like cool. So it's really easy to like send and to do it fast. So yeah, if we'll want to see like where we can send money to locations around the world, we can see that we have like Africa region, these countries, Asia Pacific with a lot of different countries, Europe. I think that every country is inside of this list, and also in America, of course. We can more currency pairing for USD. We have a lot of conversions here, as you can see, for different regions, and it's pretty cool. And what is like really interesting is that we have like partner program on Instarem, so we can earn commissions and offer low cost overseas money transfers to your audience with the Instarem affiliate program. You can find more information about it on the website. And also we can use press, browse our official press release for the like latest news and updates. So they have their own blog, as you can see. So basically nothing hard to interact with Instarem, just the same thing as every single like money transfer service. And they also have like their business offers. So if you're the owner of a business, you can easily try to sign up as a business. So Instarem for Business is a global payment solution for small and medium businesses. We make it easy to send cross-border payments to your international business suppliers, vendors, freelancers, and remote officers. So you can easily pay to someone if you have a business inside of the US. You can find more information, by the way, on instarem.com/business. So it will be much easier as for you to interact with this stuff. What can we say in conclusion? That Instarem is a platform to send money and to receive money to a lot of different countries. We have a lot of options to send somewhere. We also have a support center, so it will be really like easy to fix some problems. If you're going to speak about like reviews, reviews are pretty high, and I think that it's worth enough to use Instarem if you have like enough if you have like good exchange rates. It's better to use Instarem to save some money or something like this. But in other case, if you can find better like conditions to send your transfers, you can use the alternatives like Remitly, as I said, Wise, WorldRemit, Revolut, and so on. So yeah, it's worth to create an account on Instarem. Of course, yes. It's worth to use it sometimes. Yes. Is it safe enough? Yes. Is it good? Yeah. And is the app really good? I like tried to use this app, and it's like really easy to understand and to use with. So yeah, Instarem is quite good device to use. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.